Hi Sunny family, I'm Coach Samantha Candler. I am so excited to be joining you today for a 10-minute all-out HIIT workout. This workout is no joke. We are gonna get warmed up fast and then we are gonna hit the ground running with a heavy set of intervals designed to make you sweat. Let's get started. Be sure to attach your safety clip and then we'll start off at a walk. You'll notice on your treadmills you have your speed controls on the right and you have your incline controls on your left. We're going to be using them both today. Let's make sure we're comfortable with where they are and make sure we're comfortable with where you are on the treadmill. Middle of the tread, not too close to the front and not too far in the back. And from here, we're gonna hit a brisk walk somewhere between 3 and 4 miles an hour and we're gonna bring your inclines all the way up to 6%. 6% on your incline. And here, even though I haven't changed the speed of my walk, it's about to feel a lot faster as we go up the hill. Your arms will start working more for you. Your feet are gonna turn over a little bit faster underneath your body. These are good things. We'll take our inclines in just a moment down a little bit to 4% incline, but we're gonna add a little bit of speed. Maybe taking ourselves out of this brisk walk and into a jog. Let's do that now, 4% on your incline. Add a little bit to your speed. I'm no longer walking, I am very clearly jogging here. Still on an incline, but I hope you get used to these inclines. We're gonna see them again. We'll spend another few moments here, noticing that your feet are landing more in the balls of your feet, right underneath your body. You're not landing on your heels here, no. You are landing on the balls of your feet, maybe even closer to your toes, and you are getting yourself ready to sprint. We'll take our treads down to 2% on our incline. And we're gonna add a little speed still. So we never wanna hit sprints on a cold body. Therefore, we have another minute to get you ready to rage. 10 more seconds. Our inclines are gonna come down to 0 and we're gonna find a comfortable run. Let's go there now. 0% up to a comfortable running pace. For most of us, this is between 4 and 6. We're not at a strong run yet. You can still speak full sentences. In 30 seconds, things are about to get gnarly. That high intensity is coming. We are going to do 3 90-second intervals today with a 45-second recovery. You're gonna see hills, you're gonna see speed, and you're definitely gonna see sweat. We start in 10 seconds. Flat treadmill, strong run. 5 to 7, or maybe even faster. Let's go, 3, 2, and 1. Now on this run here, we're working, but we know things are about to get a little tougher. Consider this the lead-in to the really gnarly work. We're here for 15 more seconds, and then we're gonna keep this speed, but take our treadmills up to 2% incline. You ready? 5 seconds to get to that 2% incline. Let's go. Now at 2%, we're holding our speed. We are here for 30 seconds. And then here's where the games begin. When we take off our incline at the end of this 30 seconds, we are immediately adding speed into a full sprint for 30 seconds, the final one of this interval. So in 5 seconds, our incline goes down, our speed goes up, let's go. Incline's down to 0. You're adding 0.5, 1, even 1.5 to your speed. 30 seconds here. That's it. Tight form. Quick feet, quick arms to match. Eyes are up. And you know, deep down in your soul, you can do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. You have 45 seconds to recover here. Walk or jog, your choice. Me, I'm gonna jog. I like to keep these muscles warm and ready for the next one. Water if you need, towel off if you need. We have 2 more 90-second intervals that work very similarly to the one we just did. In 15 seconds, we are back into that strong run for 30 seconds flat. 5 to 7, maybe even a little more. We start in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. 30 seconds here. Now, caution you that you don't have to go any faster on this part than you did on the first part of the last interval. We're gonna make things tougher. Just trust me, it doesn't need to be right now. In 5 seconds, we hold our speed. We're up to 4% incline. Don't doubt it. Just do it. Let's go. 4%. We're lifting up our knees. The ground is higher in front of us, so we meet it with higher knees, landing more on the front of our foot. And we know a change is about to happen. We trade incline for speed. We take our incline down to 0. We add onto our speed in 3, 2, 1. Inclines down to 0. 30-second sprint. Can we add on the speed you took last time? What can you give me here? "15 seconds. Everything you got. 5, 3, 2, 1. Back to our recovery. How we doing, Sunny Fam? You got one more in you? This is going to be our biggest hill and our fastest speed. You can do it. One more interval until we're done. 20 seconds until we start. It's that same strong run for 30 seconds. You ready? You decide in your mind you're going to do this. 5 seconds and we get going. 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds here at our strong running pace. So we know by now, this isn't the part we need to be worried about. That part starts in 10 seconds. In 8 seconds, we're up to 6% incline. You don't want it, but you're gonna do it anyway. Join me here, let's go. 6%, holding this strong running speed. We know that in 20 seconds, your incline comes down and you hit your fastest sprint of the day. 6 to 8, maybe even more. You're ready for it. 10 seconds. It's an all-out hit run. We go all out in 4, 3, 2, 1. Incline comes down and speed is up. The highest speeds of our day. The best form of our day. That's it. 10 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's take our treads from that sprint into a jog. That is some kind of work. We hit a lot of work in this 10 minutes. You should be very proud of yourself for showing up for you today. You did the work, you earned the sweat. 5 seconds, we'll take your treads down to a walk. We're gonna Use these last few moments to slow your breathing. Focus on breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Do it again, in through your nose, out through your mouth. I have loved sprinting with you today. This is my favorite kind of workout, and I can't wait to do it with you next time. I'm Coach Sam Candler. See you soon.